Knowing how to sew for anyone is a useful life skill and a lifelong practical application and many benefits. Hi, welcome to my course. I'm Jo. I'm using Disney Frozen 1 version of Elsa doll. Now let's go through the materials we use for the bodysuit. We choose nowadays sky colors lycra with silver glittering design. Here is the leggings design draft. You can download the ready-to-use draft using the link in the description or resources tab. First of all, we draft the length, front, back, and waistline with elastic waistband allowance. We need 2 pieces for these leggings. We do encourage you to take on the project challenge where you will learn to draft it yourself by referring to the finished paper draft. Followed by beautiful boat neck body hugging top. It is not complicated when you draft it out slowly. Start by drafting the shoulder line, bust line, waistline, and followed by hip line. We notice that this is a raglan sleeve. Remember to take away the excess material here. At the same time, the shoulder must be reduced by ½ cm too. Here we insert front and back in one draft. Please note that this is front collar and the dots is for the back only. This is the Velcro allowance for the back. We need 2 pieces for the back, 4 pieces of the sleeve, 1 piece of front collar, 2 pieces of back collar, and 1 piece of front body. Don't forget front and back shoulder reduced by ½ cm. Now this is the material for the front slit skirt. We are choosing a Tropicana Cabana color organza with snowflakes design. We can use plain organza too. This is the front slit skirt design draft. We decided to make it low waist. Let's start by drafting the waistline, skirt center line, and hem tassel line. This line is the front slit. We need 1 piece of the back, and 1 piece each for front left and right side. Sew lycra material with normal presser foot will produce skip stitches. We need to change to plastic presser foot to get uniform stitches. For sewing machine needle, we choose a 75 stretch ballpoint needle. Of course, we can hand stitch if we don't have a sewing machine. Here are the sewing materials we need. Now we cut out all the paper pattern and arrange it on the materials.